Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I wanted to get a very small battery pack because just to be able to carry around with me. And I had ones that were super small, but this one here is even smaller. It's only going to be 2,500, whatever that milliamp hours or something like that. So it won't last me forever, but it'll give my phone a charge to probably 75% or so when I need it. But let's check this thing out. So this one here, it says portable power card. Does it have? It says, I don't know. There's barcode. I'm not sure if that, I mean, it's probably just the Amazon card, but let's check this out and see what it looks like here. So this is it here. So it's barely the size of like a credit card or something. So it comes with that, and it comes with the charger. It looks like it's USB to USB-C to charge it. And then it's got the little plug right there. So how cool is that? So it's got the wire built into it for the iPhone. And then I guess, it's got a little button here on the side, and I push that, and I'm already at the 4 dots, so it's already comes charged too, so that's pretty nice. So this is actually ready for me to go on my trip. And look how thin and light this is. So I'm gonna say this is super cool. It's TNTOR, that's the brand, TNTOR. So very cool, nice little super light. Look how thin this thing is. It's like super thin. It's like barely the size of a credit card. I don't have a credit card. Well, I wouldn't show you my credit card anyway, but it's probably the height of a business card and slightly wider than a credit card. But very cool. I'm gonna say this is awesome. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.